This dirt, it smells like, well, you can imagine what it smells like.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a butterfly bush. As you can see here, this butterfly bush is super dead. So what we want to do is carefully replace it so that the landscape looks fresh, crisp, and pristine when we are all done. And so we don't have a dead butterfly bush, but rather have this nice living one. All right, here's how we're going to swap it out. Carefully, we're going to use our rake to pull back the mulch around the dead plant. We're going to save that for later because we want to be able to put it back once we've planted the new one. And then we're going to remove the new plant from its pot and carefully set it on the ground nearby. And then take out the old dead bush and its root ball and carefully set the new one in its place, saving as much dirt as possible to put around the root system, because air is death to roots when you're dealing with plants. And you want to keep as much of that dirt in and around the root system as possible and be really careful with that brittle root system. Then, once you've put dirt back around it, you want to pack down firmly with your hands so that that dirt is settled in and around the roots. That's not all we're going to do. Once we're done with that, we're going to take all of that mulch that we saved from earlier and put it back around the plant as if nothing had happened. And then for our final step, we are going to water in the butterfly bush. And the primary purpose for this is not to actually water the plant. The primary purpose for this is to settle dirt in around the roots and lock in an airtight root system. That way, air doesn't get to the roots and the roots can thrive and grow. So that's how to plant a butterfly bush service call style. If you've got a landscape project that you are working on, then I've got a gift for you. In the description of this video, it is a step-by-step guide. The same steps I use as a professional every single day, and I've written them down in really simple, easy to understand bullet points so you can save yourself time, stress, and money on your landscape. So I want you to have that. Go ahead and download it, print it off, and use it on your next landscape project. And, you know, every landscape project hereafter to make the most of your landscape and make the most of your time. So thanks for joining me. Hit subscribe, like this video if it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.